point we'll click on the proceed button, and the system will create a payment request, and it's currently under review. And if we come here, refresh this page, we are receiving an email. Also we can see the log at the right side. Thank you for giving us the opportunity. We have sent our invoice for purchase order. This is the reference, and we would kindly request you to process our payment. Okay, we can either access it from here, or we can either access it from here or from supplier invoices. And if I come here, we have this one, Doodle. And if we come to the payment request, we can see the reference number for payment. We can see the request details as the date, the amount that has been requested by the supplier, and this is the supplier details, and they want the payment to be received on this account holder name, this bank, and this is the IBAN code. So now I will try to send for approval, but the system will not allow me, and it tells me to set the approval first. So I'm gonna edit this, and I'm going to write Maisa. So I will save, and I will write some comments. Please check this request and approve. So I will send for approval. At the moment that I send for approval, we can see that there is an evaluation form for this. And also, if I go to this screen, at this point I will log in from Maisa. Let me copy the email. I will log in here, and I can check there that I have one payment request here. I will click, and it's this one. Or I can either come to purchase, supplier invoices that are waiting for my approval, which is this one, and I want to approve. But it gives me, please provide your feedbacks on the items, services received on the evaluation section below. It means here. Okay, I will edit, and I would say, okay, this deliver items are as per the specifications. I have checked the items and it's working properly, for example, or they are as per the requirement or specification, we can see. So at this point I will approve, and it says the requester from approval module needs to confirm the receipt of the product. So means that I will go to PO, I need to receive this, I need to validate this so that it will come into my inventory. So I will apply this. And also if I go here, I need to go to approval request, and this approval needs to be confirmed as well. So I will confirm this one, means it's received, and I will come here to this payment and I will click approve. Then it will go to the stage where it needs to be processed, and it goes for the accountant. So I will log in as Nabil here, and I would come to purchase, this one, the payment request. All I need to do is to click on the process payment, and I will say, okay, this is the payment method, I will pay from main account, and I will just click on this payment, create payment button, and then I have all the details. I have the request details, I have the supplier details, I have the payment details, I have the purchase order details. And if I go to this payment, I can then click on the print bank transfer, and then I can send this one by this amount to the bank. So this is how the payment has been done for this PO. So on the next video we are going to see that how we can request the amount that is remaining. If you go to vendor bills, it's partial, 550 is still remaining, and let's see that how can supplier raise their second payment request at this point. So I'm going to log out and I'm going to log in from Odoo, and after some time again I will come here and I will try to request a payment. At this time I want to be delivered to HDFC this account, and I want to say that I want 550, the remaining amount, and I will attach my invoice, and then I will click on the proceed, and it's the 550. And now if I come here I have one payment requests also, or if I go to purchase supplier invoice, we can see that we have this 550 that needs to be reviewed. Okay, and then I will again say that this needs to be approved, for example by Misa. I'll send for approve, and in this screen I will log in as Misa, and I can come to purchase supplier invoices, and this amount is waiting for my approval, so I will edit. I can say these are as per the specification, and I will write this, all is good. Now click on save and I will approve, and now it goes to process, means finance needs to process this. So again I'm gonna, and also for the attachments, it's here, the invoice attachment, you can find it here. Clicking this attachment button you can see the supplier invoice as well. So I will log out and log in from Nabil account, and I will come to either accounting. I also can go to vendor supplier invoices, and this amount is pending to be processed, so I'll click on process, and at this point I will create the payment. This is the payment details. I can go here, print and send it to bank. And now if I come to the PO, I see the vendor bill, it's paid all the amount, and these are the payment references if I want to check. So thank you for watching, and as you can see we have gone through the process where we have seen that how we can go for purchase request and change it to RFQ, then supplier will update the RFQ, and then I will convert it to purchase order to make it a valid document, and then the supplier requested the payments, and we have seen how we process the payments from here as well. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next videos.